Hey there shoppers, it's Amy, and today we are checking out this incredible water pick from COSLUS. Absolutely love this beautiful, sleek design, and if you want to check out even more up close, we're going to do an unboxing at the end of the video, so you'll be able to see all of that. But check out this heavy-duty water tank. It manages to be 300 milliliters without feeling too big and bulky. It still fits right in your hand, and it's a nice accessible design. It also fills up right here horizontally, so it's going to be able to fit even into your smaller sinks very, very conveniently. It's also going to last for a long time, even with its dual flow technology. What this means is basically it's got a dual stream. So instead of just one spurt, it's double the power, which means double the clean and double the health for your teeth. So if you are new to water flossing, let me tell you, it's nothing to be intimidated about. Completely, of course, pain-free, very, very convenient, and very, very easy and fast to do. If you are like some people and you're tired of buying more traditional plackers, or maybe you just hate that feeling of having floss wrapped around your little fingers. I know sometimes I really don't like that at all. This is a great way to still floss without those traditional methods. Now, the ADA says that this water flossing is just as effective, if not more, than traditional flossing. So you are not sacrificing anything by switching your methods up. You're still getting that perfect clean. And this gives you a ton of different options. So if, for example, you have more sensitive teeth, you can go into soft mode and you're able to do a little more gentle. You're also able to do massage mode, your general clean mode, and you can switch all of those right there. On top of that, this comes with several different heads. So you kind of have your more traditional ones. You have your kind of softer ones. You have your ones that are better for dental apparatuses. And you even have one that's good for cleaning your tongue and kind of like your gums and around the sides of your cheeks. So really, really great options for cleaning things that traditional floss cannot even begin to do. It also has a waterproof charger right here. Nice and secure. This charges up quickly and the battery life is insane. You're also going to notice that these attachments right here, they come on and off very, very easily. You've got a little button. I don't know if you can see it. Little button, very easy. Press on, pull off. There you go. Snap back in. Nice and secure. And they also, if you notice, 360 degrees all the way around, so it's very, very easy to get into every little nook and cranny and all around your mouth very easily. I really, really appreciate that this is a great way to keep your mouth clean. It's small enough to still take in a travel bag. The large water tank really, really is great for not only because it does have that dual stream, which is incredible and amazing and is going to really up the clean factor for you, up how fast you can clean your mouth, which is really incredible as well. But the dual water tank means you're not constantly refilling, which is ultra convenient as well. If you want a fast, safe, incredible, convenient way to clean your teeth, to get your flossing in, this is a great way to do it. This is a beautiful device, and you got a lot of different options, like I said, with tons of different heads to choose from and lots of different cleaning modes to mix up. You can find the thing that is exactly perfect for you. I absolutely love this. I know that you guys will love it as well. And of course, we're always trying to work on our dental hygiene and keeping our gums and our teeth as happy and healthy as possible. And this is a great way to do that. Definitely stick around, see the up close portion of the video so you can see all of those brush heads up close and everything that comes in the box. And then of course, I want you guys to get to shopping. I'm gonna drop all of the links and everything in the description below. So go ahead. Adios, amigos. Okay, as promised, you guys, we have the unboxing here at the end. This is the COSLUS 300 milliliter oral irrigator, aka water pick, aka water flosser. This is the newest. It's got double stream technology. Double stream, keep in mind, that means double clean, right? So let's check this out. Beautiful box, definitely gift worthy. I love that black and blue ombre. Let's check this out and see everything that comes with it, because we've got a lot of cool accessories here. Let's check it out. So we've got a little quick start guide right here. This is going to give you an operation video. So if you are new to water flossing, it can be a little intimidating. You want to make sure you're doing it right, of course. So they do give you a little video right there, which is awesome. They also tell you everything that's included and how to install and all of that kind of good stuff right here. So that is much appreciated. If you need even more, you've got the entire user manual right there in several different languages. Now we have the body, the base itself. This is a larger water flosser, and I appreciate that because, again, it's 300 milliliters, and because you've got that double stream, you've got extra water going, this is going to last for quite a while. It still fits right in the, your hand very nicely. It's got nice little grippies right here to where even if it's kind of wet or slippery, you've got a nice grip on there. And like you can see right here, you've got, here we go, charging cable. Oop, there it is. Charging cable goes there, but this is like really, really secure. I like to see that. So you're not getting any water in there at all. I really, really appreciate that. And you have your water filler right here. I do like that this goes horizontal. Some water flossers are only like a vertical, and some sinks are smaller. All sinks, this is going to be able to fit really, really nice easily in there. So even if it's a smaller bathroom sink or a sink in like an RV or a hotel or a hostel or something, this is still going to be able to fit. So whether you're traveling or you have a smaller bathroom, this is going to totally work for you. You're going to put the head in right there. I'll show you guys that in a moment. I like that there's a little button actually to manually clip in and out. That's going to make that a lot easier. We've got on-off buttons, and check out how shiny and cute these buttons are. Nice metallic details, all the stuff. You've got your different modes right here, very easy. And they're going to tell you if it's clean mode, soft mode, massage mode, right there. All really, really easy to check out. So now we have our accessories. We'll check those. Of course, we have our charging cable. I like that this is quite long because sometimes you need a little bit more length if you're in a bathroom. So I do like that this is quite long. So hotel room, bathroom, something like that. Sometimes you need a little bit more cord, and they've thought of that for you and provided that, and it is USB-A, so pretty standard anywhere in the world. You're going to be able to find a way to charge this guy up. I appreciate that because I travel often, and I travel often with my water flossers because you guys know I'm a huge fan. So check this out. We have a lot of different heads here. So that is really exciting. Going to work for every single thing, and especially in combination with the different modes from clean to soft to massage, you're going to be able to find your perfect clean for whatever's going on in your mouth. So we got this one right here. I'll show you that. I like that this is nice and beveled, so it is very easy to take on and off and very easy to spin around. This is an extra. Kind of compare those. I think these are the same. Two of these. So again, you can absolutely share a water flosser, with a different head with, your partner, or, if you want to get one of these for siblings. This is a nice little attachment right here. Definitely good for dental apparatuses, braces, etc. Good to be able to get in between those. This is absolutely great for tongue cleaning, back of mouth, etc., etc. This little guy right here is going to be really good if you have receding gums or maybe some gum damage, sensitivity, that kind of stuff. Really, really great for getting in there as well. So it looks like we have the full gamut of lots of different apparatuses. Your kind of standard for that dual flow. You've got this that's really, really good for, getting in those more sensitive areas and those more hard to reach areas. Like I said, with braces, with your permanent retainer, dentures, etc. Tongue, back of mouth. And for your sensitive gum people out there, this is a really, really good option as well. Absolutely perfect device. Really, really excited about the dual flow. That is absolutely incredible. Dual Flow means double clean. That's incredible. You do have a lot of different options here. Easy to switch between the modes, easy to charge up, and waterproof to charge up, of course. And you've got this gigantic 300 milliliter tank, which means you're not constantly refilling, but when you are, it's super convenient, and it's on this nice horizontal level right there. Absolutely love this. I think you guys are gonna love it as well. I'm gonna drop all of those links for you in the description below. Go ahead, get to shopping. Adios, amigos.